Let's start the program.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wedding celebration of Mr. and Mrs. Idaho. My name is Dan, and I will be your host for this afternoon. But before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, here's some music of a Ladies and gentlemen, no relationship is all sunshine, but two people can share one umbrella and survive the storm together. Instead, we have witnessed two people who never give up on each other and remain strong amid the storm. Now, they have chosen to seal their love with the second sacrament of marriage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce you the proud parents of our handsome groom. Give it up for Mommy Natividad and Daddy Agnella Adapo. Dad of our beautiful bride. Give it up for Daddy Edwin Palomares. DJ Music. And last but not least, for our secondary sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nathaniel Adato. And now, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay nating hawakan our table napkins at ibabayway. Ito sa NS Honor Dito with a couple takes now because the red carpet is now ready for their grand entrance as husband and wife. So please do welcome the brightest, the coolest, the craziest, and the most lovable couple in the town, Mr. and Mrs. Adato! pong pangalan ulit? Ma'am Karen, tama? Okay. Natatandaan kita, ma'am. Ikaw yung makulit na makulit dyan sa table number 9. Okay, Ma'am Karen, gusto lamang kita tanungin dahil may gusto lamang akong linawin. Ma'am Karen, bakit meron kang dalang plastic sa event na ito?
Alam na po ng bride tsaka groom.
Sabay-sabay tayo ang... Okay, Sharon, palakpakan mo natin the winner of Hair Treatment Package! Para makapagbigay kay host Ken ng Pustiso! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, hindi tayo. Wait lang po. Sige. Kala ko iabot talaga kayo host Ken. Wait lang po. Alright. Tatingin ako. Sikreto lang. Wait lang po. Sige po. Saan na ako? Ano na? Brand new Pustiso. Okay. Okay. And now, para makita ng ating madlang people, since bago naman, hindi naman nakakaya makita yan, ma'am. No? Hawakan mo yan sa iyong kanang kamay. Sino ang paborito mo sa mga sangre natin? Perena, Alena, sino pa ba yun? Perena, okay. Ngayon, ang sasabihin mo lamang, ako si Perena at ito ang aking ano ba, Alena? Okay, ako si Alena at ito ang aking brilyante. Gaganyan mo lang yan, ma'am. Okay, ready ka na? Siyempre, ibababa natin yung kaliwang kamay natin. Okay, are you ready? Okay, once again, ako si Alena at ito ang aking brilyante. Sabay palakpakan tayo dyan, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Ako si Elena, ito ang aking brilyante.
Palakpakan naman dyan, the winner of our relaxation package.
Pag-ibig, awit sa akin, ay huwag mo ganito'y. Pangako ko naman, palagi kang magiging
last time, you are the winner of.
Widening package.
Yung mas malakas, you are the winner of.
Widening package!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay natin palapakan dahil ang laman ng iyong widening package, walang iba kundi meron kang Sunroof! Tide Folder! At hindi mawawala ang Tide Folder! Palakpakan naman sana. Ma'am Karen, I'll be asking you one last time. You are the winner of.
Hair treatment package.
Yung mas malakas, you are the winner of.
Hair treatment package.
Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay natin palakpakan ang laman ng iyong hair treatment package. Walang iba kundi... Ano sabi mo? Hindi, mali ka. Meron kang Palmolive Shampoo! Crystal! Keratin! And of course, may bonus ang couple sa'yo. Nice. May bonus ang couple sa'yo. Hindi ka uuwing luhaan. Ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay niyong sabayan si host Ken magbilang ng 1 to 3. Are you ready? Sabay-sabay yung malakas. Meron kang. And 1, 2, 3, Suyot! Now, once again, your name is?
Lenta ba? Lenta.
Myrna. Myrna. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you are the winner of.
Relaxation.
Yung mas malakas, hindi po yan malalaglag bago po yan. You are the winner of.
Relaxation package.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay namin palakpakan ang laman ng iyong relaxation package. Walang iba kundi. Relaxation ponytail. Meron kang Efficacy Oil! Meron kang Sunod Bias! At eto na. Hindi ka rin bibigoy ng ating couple dahil may ibigay sa iyong bonus. To make it more relaxing, ladies and gentlemen, minsan na nitong nakatiring ang inyong mga mata. Ang bonus sa iyo ng couple, walang iba kundi magbilang tayo in 1, 2, 3, Cotton Buds!
Mark, me, and Julius are forever grateful to all of you because you made our day more magical. Thank you so much, everyone, for your love and support.
Sir Julius, you may now kiss your missus one more time. Let's go. Suppliers, I wasn't able to get all your company names, pero palakpakan natin silang lahat, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, once again, the official event organizer sa kasalang Mr. and Mrs. Adato, the MK Events Organizing Services.